This video is sponsored by bitget, the leading cryptocurrency copy trading platform. Earn 10 USDT for free plus 10% rebate on your first deposit by signing up using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, I am Logical Orange for Sublime Traders, and in this video I combined the Ichimoku Cloud and the Parabolic SAR into a simple strategy that can be profitable on the short and long time frames on cryptocurrency or any other tradable asset. So we are going to start with the Parabolic SAR. The Parabolic SAR is a lagging indicator that attempts to give traders an edge by highlighting the direction that an asset is moving in, as well as providing an entry and potential exit points. So in this video, we are going to look at this indicator and show you how you can incorporate it into your trading strategy. So this technical indicator utilizes a trading stop loss and reverse method called SAR, or stop and reverse, to identify suitable exit and entry points. The Parabolic SAR indicator appears on a chart as a series of dots that you can see here on the upper part and the lower part of a candle, either above or below an asset's price, depending on the direction the price is moving. So a dot is placed below the price when it is trending upward, and above the price when it is trending downward. So using this indicator alone isn't a very good idea because it produces a lot of noise, so signal noise, and would have a low precision overall. So how can we use it into our strategy? Now we need to pass to our second indicator. The second part of this strategy will be including the Ichimoku Cloud. So the Ichimoku Cloud is a collection of technical indicators that show support and resistance levels, as well as momentum and trend direction. It does this by taking multiple averages and plotting them on a chart. It also uses these figures to plot a cloud that attempts to forecast where the price may find support or resistance in the future. So how can we trade this green and red mess? So to begin with, we will open the Ichimoku Cloud settings, we will go into style, and we will disable what we do not need. So in this case, we will not use the conversion line, the baseline, and the lagging span. We'll be left with the lead lines that plot the cloud itself. Now that we are all set up, we are left with the two leading spans that will create the Kumo cloud. What you need to remember is this: if the candlesticks are above the cloud, you will only take long positions, and if the candlesticks are below the cloud, you will only take short positions. Another aspect to consider is that if the candlesticks are between the lead lines, you should not open a position at all. So right now we are going to move to the actual strategy, where we are going to combine the Ichimoku Cloud and the Parabolic SAR. So now that we know what both our indicators are doing, we are going to combine them in a single strategy. So when a candle is above the clouds and the Parabolic SAR is below that candle, you will take a long position, and if a candle is below the cloud and the Parabolic SAR is above the candle, you will take a short position. Also take into consideration that the Parabolic SAR is a lagging indicator, so you should always enter at the candle's close. The stop loss in this case for our position would be in the first Parabolic SAR dot in our trend. So now that we have our entry and stop loss set, we will need to look at the exit strategy. If any of the following situations happen, we will need to close the trade. If the candle touches the cloud, if a candle touches the Parabolic SAR, and if the Parabolic SAR changes position from bottom to top or from top to bottom. This would mean that the trend is reversed and we would need to exit the trade. So let's now backtest this strategy over the last few months and see what we get. For the results of the backtest. We started trading on the 15th of May and we completed 22 trades on the hourly time frame. We won 21 trades, we lost 1 for a total profit of 165%. As you can see, this strategy can prove to be profitable. Remember that it can be used on multiple time frames and still produce good results. This will conclude today's video, guys. This is Logical Orange for Sublime Traders. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.